The status bar. One important section of the Revit UI is the status bar. It is located along the very bottom of the screen. It provides useful tips or hints that are helpful to your workflow. For example, if I select a wall, the status bar informs me that I have one element selected. I will select another item in addition to the wall. Do this by holding down the Control key on the keyboard and pressing on another item to add to the first selection. Notice the status of the selected item now updates to 2. Click on the white space to deselect everything, and the status of the selected item is now back to 0. Always keep an eye out for information in the status bar as it gives useful feedback on what is going on in your Revit project.